Just like a facial, but for your scalp. The Scalp Renew is a gel-based formula that gently removes buildup, balances oil, stimulates blood flow, and helps with dryness. This treatment is perfect for anyone with scalp conditions like dandruff, psoriasis, or any inflammation. The Scalp Renew is so easy to use. You're going to apply it once a week before showering. You're going to trace it along the hairline, just squeezing lightly, and then an inch apart. Again, following the hair the whole way down the back of the head. You can also squeeze a little bit out onto your fingertips, and you're going to massage it in. Oh, you can really feel and smell that peppermint oil. It's so cooling. Oh, it feels amazing. Once you massaged in, you're going to leave that for 10 to 20 minutes, then you're going to rinse out and double cleanse. Now for my favorite part, time to cleanse. Our cold-processed hair cleanse removes residue. It balances natural hair oil without causing any irritation. So it's very gentle on the scalp. We're going to take 1 to 2 pumps. After wetting and saturating your hair with water, take some water from the shower. You're going to emulsify the cleanse like this in your hands until you get this lovely creamy lather. Now you're going to start at the back. Very different approach, and the reason why is because usually we miss this whole area, and that can cause scalp irritations. You're going to go in here and massage gently into the nape of the neck. You're going to work your way up to the crown area like so. Now I'm going to add 1 to 2 more pumps. Now in at the top. You can really see I'm just focusing on the scalp here. Massage in here, the temples, right underneath. Add that water to spread it evenly and really create that beautiful creamy texture. Now you're going to rinse it out, and as you rinse out, the beautiful creamy foam will rinse out through the hair, picking up any dirt or pollution and washing the ends. Just focus on the scalp, and I promise you, your hair and your scalp will feel the best it's ever felt. The Restorative Hair Mask is a deep conditioning mask rich in proteins, antioxidants, vitamins, and amino acids that help that dry, thirsty, damaged hair. You're going to twist the key, and I usually get a good dollop like that. So you're going to apply it like you would apply conditioner through the mid-lengths and ends, like this. It's a perfect amount of protein, moisture to help really balance the hair, help restore the hair to its natural state, really work it into the hair. And what I usually do is a little bit at the end, just like that, and just lightly run over the top. I don't want it to be too thick on top, but it is so lightweight, so don't worry about using too much. So once you've massaged it all the way through, you're going to leave it in anywhere between 10 and 20 minutes if you're leaving it as a hair mask. If you're using it in replacement of your conditioner, 1 to 2 minutes is perfect because it does work instantly. And then you're going to rinse off, and you're going to have a most incredibly hydrated hair. This is the finished look. My hair feels hydrated. I've got so much volume in my roots, the shine. My scalp feels so hydrated. It feels so clean, and my hair actually feels like super lightweight. I can get my fingers through it. It just feels amazing.